Hello and welcome to another episode. This is just a quick update on the state of ELVIRA. Today marks 1 month since I last drove her and left her down at Acorn Kia Burntwood. I'll put pictures up there of a few images I took today. It's just gathering cobwebs, the dashboard's still in bits. I rang the service desk to see if they got any updates, and they still couldn't give me a date because they don't know. And even when they do get dates, they don't always come through on the right date, because that's happened to many of us before. So I can't blame the service desk for trying to get hold of the parts. All I can blame is Kia in Korea, South Korea, for not pushing enough spare parts across. So I don't think it's even Kia UK. I think it's out of their control. So all I can do is wait. At least I've got a very nice EV, a brand new one to drive around in and play with and make videos. But you spend all that money on a car, you'd expect none of these things to happen really. This is what you get for being an early adopter. Anyway, that's where it is at the moment. On another matter, has anyone in North America got hold of the ICCU software update yet? And how's it gone? Have you had any issues with flat 12-volt battery, or slow charging speeds, or performance, or more ICCU failure after you've had the update? I've seen a few comments on forums, just wondered how you were getting on. Just let me know. Anyway, that's the end of the update. Thanks for watching.